Hey, it's Vince Del Monte. We are in Barrie, Ontario today, and it is minus 25 degrees, absolutely cold. And we are gonna go inside and meet one of my newest female fitness business coaching students. And when I met her, she was selling guides and doing challenges through her Instagram page, and she was struggling, hardly making $1,000 a month. And in less than a month, she has 10x'd her online business, and she's just getting started. We're gonna go inside and meet her and see how she did it.
You know, going to university, I took a little bit of a hit and just partied every day. Partied, like Monday was like dollar beer night, Tuesday tequila Tuesday, like every night it was some sort of an event. And I had like 5 different friend groups. I was just always going out, partying, drinking, wasting lots of money, and basically like flunked out of university. And I ended up gaining like the freshman, I think 30 over my first year. So I was over 200 pounds and I was just really miserable. And then I knew from right then and there, like I had to leave, go to a different university and just unfortunately say goodbye to all my friends because I really was not happy. I wasn't confident in who I was. And I knew I couldn't do this forever. So I ended up secluding myself and moving to Ryerson University. And then, when I was in school, everyone was like, Hannah, like, where are you interning? Where are you gonna be working after? I'm like, I don't wanna work in a cubicle. Like, I don't wanna work in the city. I don't wanna work a 9-to-5 job. I don't wanna work for anyone else. Like, I knew I wanted to do entrepreneurship. That was the only course that ever interested me. So after university, I ended up, just going to the gym all the time. I ended up competing in my first bikini competition, doing all these amazing things, and everyone around me was just so inspired because, I was over 200 pounds, and then having that amazing weight loss transformation, I just kept on getting all these questions, and then that's when it clicked. I'm like, you know what, maybe I could actually make a career out of this. I ended up coming to this gym and actually met my boyfriend here. I was on the stair climber, and he would bug me every single day.
I think when we met on the Stairmaster, I told her she should be a trainer. She looks good, she's always working hard at it. She loves getting fitness coaches, etc. So when it came to me helping her empower her, I just gave her the nice push the right direction. I brought her in here as a trainer, started taking clients on, and then I guess for almost the last 1 year, she's slowly tapered out, and now she's 95% online, right? 99% online.
100% online.
100% online.
Yeah, I don't train Haley anymore.
100% online.
Yes. I knew I wanted to expand my business and do something that it always excited me that I could do this. I knew that an online trainer is something that you could do all over the world. I had no clarity on what I was doing. I just was kind of following whatever I was seeing on Instagram, whatever I thought was trending, but I had no idea how to do a challenge. I gave everyone 3 days notice. It was like so bad. It was like, join my challenge, please. Like a beg for help, like a cry. Like it was horrible, absolutely horrible. Which is why I've only got $1,000 from that. But after, joining the Mastermind, I had these calls with Vince every couple weeks, and he goes over, Hannah, how is this? How is that? How is this working? And even like daily, whenever I have a question, he helps me instantly. Now I have clarity on, okay, where is my business going in the future? Whereas before I had no idea where I was going. I have not only Vince, but I have his whole coaching team who, if I need help with Instagram stories, if I know how to get leads more, if I know how to get, like marketing strategies or anything, like I have a whole team behind me, and the fact that I've already built $10,000 plus per month, the sky is the limit now, So had I not have taken that step, I would not have had that speed, I would not have had that clarity, and I would have no idea what I was doing. So I'm so happy. I'm so much more confident now. My girls are happier, they even want to work for me now, which is so cool because they love that momentum. They love the attention. They love, that I'm doing things with my life because that's what they want for themselves.
Do you remember in the summer when you couldn't afford to come to the sit-in and you needed the pay option? And you were like, I got to think about it. I could tell your blood pressure was going up.
Oh, I was so nervous.
Why?
I was so nervous. I was thinking in my head, what if it doesn't work? What if I lose my money? Maybe I'm gonna hate you as a coach. Maybe I'm gonna not like the people that are there. Like, there's so many different things. I've never, other than my university, I've never really invested myself in anything. I've never paid for anything that was such a huge chunk. But, you told me and you kept on saying, if you want to be successful, like, you got to make decisions quickly. And I'm like, oh, like, I really want to be successful. And so, you know, I saw all the benefits. You know, what's the worst that could happen, right? At least if I go to this event, you know, I have the knowledge from the amazing speakers. I have, you know, the connections. I saw that there's so much more value than that little small amount, you know, that I was paying for this event. The value was 10 times more.
I love what you just said. Did you guys catch that? She said one key thing that really stood out. She looked at the investment as not something that it was going to cost her, but something that it was going to cause. This is how rich people, this is how successful people think, always in terms of ROI, return on investment. And another big thing for you was that she committed first and then figured out the rest later. All right? A true commitment is backed by two things: time and money. This is how you move your business and your vision ahead, or else your dreams are gonna stay in your bed, all right? So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level and you wanna test drive our next mastermind, then click the link in the description below or somewhere on this page and apply. We'll jump on the phone, we'll see if you're a good fit, and then we'll go from there. I hope that we get to meet each other this year and that we can give you your marching orders so that you can get 10x results just like Hannah did. Super proud of you, girl.